Today, we'll be demonstrating the basic cleaning and maintenance for your Powermatic PM1000 Tablesaw. On a daily basis, wipe down the table surface and T-slots with a rust preventative. On a weekly basis, the table surface must be kept clean and free of rust for best results. To facilitate this, apply a coat of paste wax to the surface. Alternatively, commercial spray protectants are available from local hardware and tool stores. A good protectant should provide rust protection for the surface without staining workpieces. Clean the motor housing with compressed air. Wipe down the fence rails with a dry silicone lubricant. Periodically, keep the inside of the cabinet and trunnion area clean. Check for excessive play in the tilting and raising mechanism and in the saw arbor. Adjust as required. Check for belt tension and wear. Adjust or replace as required. For lubrication, grease the tilting worm gear, raising worm gear, and the trunnion areas with a good grade, non-hardening grease. Be sure to check all adjustments after lubricating. If you have any further maintenance questions about your Powermatic PM1000 Tablesaw, be sure to consult your instruction manual. Any additional servicing to your Powermatic PM1000 Tablesaw should be performed by an authorized service technician at a designated Powermatic service center. Don't forget that your Powermatic tool is backed by an industry-leading warranty. Contact our support team today to find a service center near you.